are in whichever one of the 254 counties, please vote for Joe Biden. We need him at the top of the ticket to beat Trump. We need him at the top of the ticket to be president and build the coalitions necessary to pursue a very ambitious agenda for this country. And we need him at the top of the ticket in states like Texas so that we win down ballot U.S. congressional seats, state house seats, all the way down to county commissioners court. No one else can have that kind of presence at the top of the ticket as Vice President Joe Biden can. So we are enthusiastically endorsing him, and to show you how serious we are, we brought him to Whataburger.
That's right, man. I gotta win. I gotta come back. I gotta come back from another Whataburger. And by the way, this guy can change the face of what we're dealing with regard to guns, assault weapons, with regard to dealing with climate change. And I just was warning Amy, if I win, I'm coming for it.
We are so glad that you're in Texas and so proud of the campaign that you're running and grateful to be with you. One last story. I was telling our oldest son, Ulysses, we were just talking about our kids and